Hello there. So how to fix your OSPPREARM issue not working or not installed properly? Now for example, you open up your Word document or any Microsoft document out there, and there should be an error that says the installation or the driver key or your Microsoft key is not working or expired. That's the OS problems. But to do that one, you're gonna have to open your File Explorer, locate where you saved your Microsoft Offices, usually should be on the local disk C, and you're looking for program files. It's either 86 or program files normally. That depends on your bit. If you're using 32-bit, that should be the one for your offices. Just look for the one that says Office 16. In here, looking for OSPPREARM. And then for this one, just right click and then run as admin. That's the first step. If that didn't work, copy this file path and then run the command setter. Now before running this one, make sure this is running as an admin. Now this is how it should look like. Now once you're going to be in here, you just have to paste this simple prompt. CD first, I'm going to type in Siri. Let me just go back on the initial part. Perfect. Siri plus the path file. Click on enter. That means that we're enabling a command through the Office file path. Next one, click on this one. Paste it right there. That will now enter basically your code. They're looking for your product number or product key. As you can see right there, check the SKU ID. There's going to be this one. And for the next part right there, copy and paste the same prompt. Click on space. And for this one, you just have to copy and paste the SKU ID. With that one, click on enter, and that should rearm for a 30-day free trial period until it goes back in until you have to pay manually. However, after this one, you will now open your Microsoft Office with no problem at all. And that should fix your problem.